Hello friends, welcome to our channel ISP Solutions Official. Solutions and support for your projects anytime, anywhere. After a long time, we are making a video, and this video is all about services which we are offering. And in this video, we will tell you about the services which we are providing. So if you are someone who need help, you can contact us. Let's talk about them in detail. So if you are someone who have project idea and you want someone's help to complete that project, or you are already working on any project but you are getting lots of errors, so you just want someone's help, you want like someone can connect with me and can help me to resolve those issues, to resolve those errors so that you can complete your project on time, or you just want to understand the code of the project, or it's just like you have some queries and you want to discuss those queries, you want to discuss that with the same domain expert. So yes, you are watching the right video. In this video, I'm telling you the services which we are offering, like Python, data science, machine learning, web scraping, deep learning, computer vision, automation, C++, game development, and many more technical domains. So just think, if you need someone's help in your project, you want to complete your project on time with the good accuracy, and you want to minimize your errors, you just want to resolve your errors so that without wasting time, you can complete your projects, your ideas on time. So do not forget to contact us. Apart from this, we can also help you in building a professional and impressive resume. As resume is the most important part for your interview process. Resume is the first impression to the organization about you. Resume tells like who you are, what kind of skills you have, what kind of things you have done. So on the basis of that, recruiter will select your resume and he will continue the process. We have also made a video on importance of resume. So if you want, you can watch that video, and in that video we have covered the points which are important, which are necessary for any resume. Any project in your mind, contact us. You can join our Discord channel, or you can mail us. If you want, you can comment below, and if you want, you can DM us on Instagram as well. We will wait for our messages. Now the point is why you should trust on us. Okay, so here it is. If you want, you can check out our previous project reviews on Fiverr. On Fiverr, it's still available, so you can check the client's reviews about the projects which we have done. We have worked on so many projects, and we are getting a good rating as well as an amazing feedback. On Fiverr, we are in level 1 seller currently. So that's the reason you can reach out to us, and we are waiting for your messages. All the links are available in the description, Instagram, Fiverr, Discord, or if you want, you can mail us. And most importantly, like and subscribe the channel now, and please share this video with your friends as well. Okay, this is as of now for this video. We will meet in any other video. Till then, bye bye.